Hello guys, today we will know about forest fire. It is a large, uncontrolled and potentially destructive fire that can affect both rural and urban areas. Causes of forest fire: natural event, lightning strike, volcanic activity. Human action: unattended campfire, sparks from machineries. Harmful effect of forest fire: massive air pollution, trigger soil erosion, causes soil degradation. Clearing underbrush and promoting new growth, reduce dead vegetation, habitat renewal, and increase fertility of soil. Thank you.